Okay, sales quota. Sales quotas are the targets that salespeople try to achieve within a specific period of time, which contributes towards achieving the organizational goals regarding the sales forecast. So, quotas are routinely assigned to the sales units, such as departments, divisions, and individuals, and they proceed to reach at these quotas in their respective domain. Quotas are of major importance because they establish end state, the bottom line sought by the sales force. They are not static, but are dynamic guides to sales for behavior. So quotas are ever changing due to experience, feedback, and internal and external force to the organization. And quotas provide the performance targets. Quotas provides standard, and quota provides the control, and quota provides as well as the motivation for the sales force of the organization. Procedure for setting sales quota. A successful procedure for setting quotas in organization is a process built on one-to-one discussion between sales manager with each salesperson serving a territory. So there are essentially three steps to be followed, and they are like schedule planning, conferencing with each salesperson, and arriving a summarized written quota statement. Schedule planning involves planning for goal setting, meetings with individual salespeople, and particularly with the new recruits. So these schedules are necessary to explain system and reasons, benefits, and incentives for each salesperson. And goals for the organization, these are called orientation briefing for the organization. The salespeople should be allowed to ask a question and get clarifications for their doubts, and then a sales manager announces for one-to-one meeting to finalize each individual goals for the set period. The sales manager then asks the salesperson to submit the individual goal proposal for setting up the guidelines for the combined goal setting meeting. So it's a sales manager's responsibility. He has to account the all the sales force of the organization. Conferencing with each salesperson, the next step is to arrange a conference with individual salespeople. The salespeople brings the field in a goal setting form for discussion. The sales manager allows the salesperson to discuss all the rows in the first column in output the table. So you should ask them to suggest what they think objectives and quotas should be. Always review the recent past when discussing what the future might look like. Be realistic, which means using ranges in defining next year goals. So what is a realistic target for the area? What is a stretch objective? And what is a pessimistic level for that domain? So listen fully to their statements and explanations, and then restate those statements to indicate that you understand them. So you can introduce any problem you see in their level performance. So if a goal setting cannot be done in one meeting, the sales manager can set a few more meetings for problem solving and a creative objectives. So the next task is to prepare a written summary of all the agreed goals upon. So the objective or goal setting form serve as a guide for the mutually agreed goals. The companies who are going to be set the sales quota, they have to be prepare a written summary. While setting the while preparing the written summary, you can use the objectives form a guide, but you don't really need form. So you can dictate goals or write them out and have a typed copies. So and congratulate them for their commitment. So they are like head is now in their hands, so they have five terrific conditions in their job. So the conditions can be like they will know what is expected of them before they start. So they will know what resources and help are available. They will know how much freedom they have and what reporting they need to do. So they will know how well they are doing in their work. And this like a self-control aspect is important motivator for salespeople. So also they will know the basis on which rewards are given and how their annual reviews will be made. So this should be in a written summary of the sales procedure quota.